Hello guys, this is Rohit from Salesforce Jungle, and today we are going to share one more job opportunity for bit experience guys. They haven't mentioned three or four. They have mentioned, but they told me it's okay if it is 1 year of experience, and if you're admin and a 1 year of experience and have great knowledge on admin, Salesforce admin, that's more than enough. So you can apply for this job. So this is Cloud Heaven company, quite good company in US, kind of startup, but they have a lot of money. So no need to worry about money. So they can give you a opportunity, remote job. Anybody all over the world can apply. But remember, they can't give the visa. So at the end of this application, they have written this position is only for available for those interested in direct staff employment opportunity. So you can work from anywhere and 1990 corporate to corporation contracts and not be considered. We are also not in the position of support of H1. You can't visit over there, but you can work as a remote. Okay, so no need to worry. If you are selected, you can be the part of the team, but they can't grant you visa as such. As you know, the position in the countries are not going well. So jobs at the Cloud Heaven solution. So what is the company website you can watch cloudheaven.com. So it's quite good company. So it's a remote United States company. So Salesforce consultant admin, full-time job, some experience. So they haven't mentioned as such the experience. So if it's mentioned two or three, I can mention, but I think anybody can apply who has a great knowledge in admin. Great knowledge means great knowledge. So position summary, Cloud 7 solution is seeking for a full-time. It's a full-time job and that's it. Several consultancy and various projects. So you need to remember they have a team of pros, like they are cloud experts, architects. They have a team like this. So try to focus if you are going working, if you are try to looking after an opportunity, you need to be very focused on each and every subject. If you're doing admin, you should be geek in the admin. You should be called do this, then you can do it in any condition. So the main objective is to asset a consultancy. So whatever the this you can read from the, I will put this link in the description. And partner, so try to focus on the what you're going to do. Partner directly with the consultancy, directly to the system needs and gather requirement asset. So noting a creation of the activity for the support team. So basically you might be working as a support item on the meeting called direct client support first line. So you are working as a support assistant dealing with the client. It's very easy job. Handle calls, requirements, talk message, redirect and users. So handle the numerous projects. Okay, you must be working on multiple projects because team is like very small and they can hire only two or three guys, not more than that. Management only, but depends upon the salary they are offering. If you are like applying from India, so they can hire like 3 to 4 developers. So collaboration with the consultancy and okay, providing proper technical challenges with the business issues. Okay, develop team plans and materials, documentary and client and asset management developers validation. Clover test asset with the integration meetings, or it's very easy position you can easily handle. Okay, so experience with the sales cloud, service cloud, and sales or CPQ. CPQ is nothing, it's just like the sales cloud, but it has some another advantages, like some advantages. So try to work over, not overall on CPQ, overview on the CPQ. Try to take overview on CPQ so that you will get to know what kind of position they are holding. So if somebody asks you some question, you can able to handle it and tell her, okay, I'm working on it. So within the time, I'll cope up with the CPQ. It's not a very huge thing. It's very simple. Salesforce certified administration, you should be certified and ability to work platform and particular minimal jobs and solve the technical and business problem, intellectual communication. So I think it's very easy job. You able to acquire that. So employer paid. So what are the benefits they are paying? 100% employee paid medical, dental, vision, and life insurance. Also direct employee. Flexible schedule and focus on the work and life balance. 100% remote work, no required travel, and training program for the continued education effort. So they can give you training first 2 months. After that, they will give you full medical, dental, vision, life insurance, flexible schedule with the focus work and life balance, and 100% remote work. Don't need to travel. So guys, apply on this job as soon as possible. So it is the first day they have posted, and I got some mail from the recruiter that post this job. So I am getting multiple remote job. So try to apply for this job as soon as possible. You can apply for LinkedIn as well. The link I'm giving in the description. Check out. Thank you for watching my videos. More jobs are coming, so try to subscribe and share this to the another channel so that people can subscribe and get benefited, job seekers. Thank you very much.